Hello, my people, and today I'm going to be showing you how you could earn money from Faucet Pay. Now, Faucet Pay is just a micro wallet. When we say micro wallet, we mean a wallet that can be used to receive small amounts of cryptos. Yeah, in Bitcoins and Ethereum. There are some websites that do not release huge amount of money or huge amount of crypto directly to your main wallet like Binance. Okay, so my this Faucet Pay, which is a micro wallet, helps you to receive these small amounts, and when you gather the amounts from the different websites, you can now forward the bulk amounts you want to um, the your main wallet, like your Binance wallet. Okay, now good. I'm already logged into this. Now, if you want to register, just click on the link below in the description. Okay, now I'm just gonna go straight to my user dashboard. Okay, you can see that now on the user dashboard. Yeah, you can also earn reward points from Faucet Pay. On the user dashboard, you would see the different tabs here: the overview, the statistics, the linked addresses. The linked addresses, these are quite important. You have to link your address from Binance to this place, depending on the crypto you want to collect. So your address has to be here. Okay, very important. Very important. Okay, now you can also deposit. If you want to trade, then you can also withdraw. Okay, let me show you. I've tried it and I've withdrawn, of which it's quite. Now this is the transaction ID. Yeah, I've withdrawn up to 54,097 satoshis in Bitcoin. Yeah, currently this should be up to $50. Yeah, and this was done in September 2020. Now I still keep claiming anyways, and there are several ways you could earn money from Faucet Pay. Now there's a Faucet list. There's a Faucet list that you can use. Yeah, you can check them out. These are the lists. These are the lists. It gives you different lists of genuine Bitcoin website or crypto website that you can claim crypto from. Okay, and for me, majorly I use the pay to click. The pay to click to just claim from Faucet Pay. Now I've actually claimed more than what is here currently. Okay, let me just click on one with a very short time for 7 seconds. Now I clicked on that, add VAT, and it counts from 7 seconds down. Yeah, the timer is counting down now. And when I'm done, I get credited straight to the Faucet Pay. So Faucet Pay is not just a micro wallet, it's also a platform that you can use to earn Bitcoin. Okay, so I have to fill the captcha, listened, subtotal, then service. Very easy to fill captchas. So it's not what will take you so much time. So all you just need to do is just fill what's the place that has been highlighted. Okay. Okay, so I click on get credit to get my, okay, the advert opens up on a different, so I can close that to see my credit. Okay, I've closed that tab. Yes, you can see, good job, you have been credited with one BTC, one Satoshi. Okay, in BTC. So other things you can do, you can swap your coin on this platform. If you do not want to withdraw your money in Bitcoin, you can decide to convert from Bitcoin to, now I have this, I can decide to convert from Bitcoin to Ethereum, and this is the amount in Ethereum. Then I click on make exchange. But right now I do not want to do that. Okay. I do not want to do that. So and you can also trade. You can leverage trading. Yeah. Okay, and so on. Okay, then you can also click multiply your BTC by playing any of these games. Okay, and you can also earn more by staking, by doing surveys and offer walls. Okay, with time I'm going to teach you how to do surveys from other platforms, but these are some of the things that you can do from Faucet Pay. I do not want this video to be too long, and these are some of the crypto that I claim from small websites. Now I would also put those websites online, and for now I have $22 here on my Faucet Pay. Okay, so any amount, you can see the amount that I've claimed. Okay, I've not really claimed today, I claimed yesterday, you can see. Okay, so that is that. So I hope this helps. Thank you.